In this video, I will show you step by step on how to import from China to United States of America, step by step tutorial without using agent. So but before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see step by step on how to import from China to United States of America with Pinduoduo shopping app. So let's begin. So right with me right here, someone from my channel contacts me on my WhatsApp, and I'm going to put the question right here on the screen of this video. So this question states here that, hi, I'm based in United States and I want to buy some stuff from Pinduoduo. What warehouse should I use? I want to buy for myself first, then for business. I need air with my Pinduoduo. Now, I decided to share this information to the rest of my subscribers because it's going to be useful for a lot of people. Okay, so this is my recommendation for this type of question right here. If you want to import from China to United States using Pinduoduo shopping app, it's a very simple step. Whatever country you are taking your item to, follow this same step I'm going to explain in this video. Number one thing you need to do is that you need to look for a freight forwarder that can ship from China to United States or whatever country of your choice. Now, when you get the shipping company or freight forwarder, it is now your responsibility to have a business conversation with them. One of the things you need to ask them is that the number one question you need to have the shipping agent or freight company is that their current terms of shipment, whether by air or by sea, you need to know that, because that will give you a kind of confidence or if you can actually hire them to ship your item from China to US or to whatever country of your choice. That's the first thing you need to do. Then another thing you need to do is that you need to tell them the type of item you want to ship from China to your country, because there are things you should not buy on Pinduoduo and there are things you should not import from China to your country. I believe every country have their contraband goods. So you need to ask your shipping company if they can eventually ship the type of item you want to make purchase. Because if you purchase a contraband goods, the supplier will say to you, but by the time that you send the item to the shipping company warehouse in China, they will reject the goods and you may end up lose your money. So this is more reason why I always recommend that before you go ahead make your purchase, make sure you engage with your shipping company. Tell them the type of item you want to buy, so they will tell you if they can actually ship the item for you. That's another thing you need to take into consideration. Another thing you need to have the shipping agent is that you need to know the price for their normal goods shipment. You need to know the price of their special goods shipment. You need to know their times of delivery. So you need to know all these things before you can go ahead and hire them. Once you are satisfied with their terms of service and they assure you that they can ship the type of item you want to ship, the next thing for you is to ask for their warehouse address in China, because this is the right process on Pinduoduo. Whatever country you are taking the item to, Chinese address is always required, because Pinduoduo cannot ship direct from China to any country. It has to be from Chinese supplier to your shipping company warehouse address in China. That is just the procedure. So when you are done with everything you purchase, now it's now your responsibility to copy the tracking number of each of the item and send it to your freight forwarder or your shipping company. When you send it to them, ask them to confirm if they have eventually received those items on your behalf. So once they receive any of the item, they will tell you that we received this tracking number, we received this tracking number. So with that, you'll be sure that you are in the right place and you are doing the right thing. Once you are done with all your purchase, then the next thing to do is to have the shipping company that they should consolidate and tell you the kg of the item. So after consolidate, they will now give you a bill of landing. So the bill of landing will comprise your name and your phone number. Then it will comprise the total kg of your item. It will comprise the time they are shipping out your item and the delivery estimate of the item. Those are the things that will be on the bill of landing, and the amount you are going to pay if eventually the item gets to your country. whether United States or whatsoever. So you now take the delivery notes and you kept it on the item get to your country. Once the item gets to your country, then they will give you a pickup message. Once you get the pickup message, the next thing for you is to visit the shipping company address in your country and pick up your item. And some shipping company, they do a home delivery service. So it's just that it's going to cost you an extra charges. Okay, so this is just the step and the process you need to follow when you are trying to import from China using Pinduoduo shopping app to whatever country of your choice, whether United States or European or UK or anywhere in the world. This is just this normal step you need to follow to have your goods successfully shipped from China to your country. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell. So each time I post content about importation business like this, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.